Hello.
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 Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Thank you for asking. I'm also good. And Praniska, which topic we are going to discuss?
Uh, both.
Birds. Okay. So, do you like birds?
Yes.
Okay. So, which is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is peacock.
Peacock. Okay. And why do you like peacock?
The first was a very beautiful bird.
Yeah. It is very beautiful. And have you ever saw any peacock in real life?
Yes.
Oh. Where did you saw that?
I saw in the sea.
Okay. And can you name any five birds that you see every day?
Uh, I see show every day.
How many?
What?
Like any five birds, like you can say any common birds.
Uh, I see peacock on Sunday
Okay.
and parrot
Hmm.
my cousin's home having.
Okay.
And I say love bird.
Okay.
I'm like pigeon.
Hmm.
And one blackbird what I see every day, but I don't know that.
Yeah. Uh, this much is enough. And do you remember like any of the bird that you used to like in your childhood or something?
Yes, I like parrot in my family.
Oh, parrot.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Also I like
okay. So, what is the reason that you like parrot?
what?
Why do you like parrot?
Because it is when I say something, it will repeat.
Yeah.
And it was beautiful world.
Yes. Right. Yeah. And so, tell me if you can have any three birds as a pet, which bird would you like to have?
I want peacock
Peacock,
and parrot,
parrot.
and I want love bird.
Okay. Nice. And of course, can you tell me where do the birds live?
What?
Where do the birds live? Where they live? They live in
See?
trees. Yeah. Like in trees also specifically they have something, no?
Yeah.
What is that?
Uh, they have some, they make some that,
Nest.
no,
Yeah. So they make their nest on trees and all, right?
that's in brown color.
Yeah. Right. So, tell me that, like when the birds make a nest of on the trees, so the tree is their home. Like obviously the tree is their home, right?
Yeah.
So, like humans are for their own benefit, for their own reasons, they're cutting the trees. So, is it a good thing?
No.
Okay, yeah. So, can you tell me how is it affecting the birds?
Mm, the cut tree means both can't live.
Yeah.
Uh, and during, during the if any birds have babies means
Hmm.
it don't have place to live.
Hmm.
And during the rain season, it will affect the birds.
Yeah. Right. And I think we should not like every human should not uh, cut the trees because it's like it is a home for birds because not only one or two, many birds live in a tree, in a single tree, right? Uh, and tell me that how can we, if you see any bird or if you have any birds in nearby your home, how do you treat them? How we can give them something, and how we can help them?
The birds also want freedom.
Right.
Uh, we should not put birds in the net. Sometimes it will affect the birds.
Okay. So you are saying that we should not put the birds in a cage.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Yeah, you're right. And
And it wants to eat only the natural natural things.
yeah, and I think we should like we should give them some food to eat and water as
Yeah.
well. Yeah, like if we are having birds nearby our home, we should provide them some food and water.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially in summers we should give them water. And can you tell me any bird which is known for like it's very dangerous bird?
I think that's for the people.
Eagle. Yeah, right. And owl as well.
What?
Owl. 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 The bird.
The
Yeah, that bird is like known for like it's
the
a yeah.
it will in the morning
Yes. And also I have heard this that they snatch the eyes of humans if they see any human.
Yes, I see the house in the night time.
Yeah.
I think it is not a dangerous bird.
It is not dangerous.
It will sit quietly in the tree.
Oh, okay. But yeah, I said this is because it is dangerous because I have heard that in my childhood it snatches the human's eyes if that bird sees any human.
What?
Human's eyes, we have eyes, no?
Yeah.
So the bird snatched that eyes.
Uh,
Yeah, so in my childhood there was one time one owl came in our school. So we were very afraid. It was morning only, and we were very afraid, and we were running here and there because I have heard that this at that time I have believed that it will snatch our eyes or something. Yeah.
now I know about this.
Oh, okay. But yeah, the bird can like it isn't it different? And there is one more bird. I can't remember that name. That is also like that only. That bird also can see in the night, not in the morning. Do you know the one bird? No, it's black and it hangs on the trees. I can't remember the name. Yeah. So eagle is a dangerous bird. And can you tell me the three qualities of eagle?
Eagle hunter tree.
Can you say it a little louder?
Eagle hunter tree
Yeah.
and eagle can fly very highly
Yeah, like
and the eagle can
they have good eyesight.
what?
Eyesight. They have good eyesight. So when they're flying very high, still they can see their target.
Oh,
Yeah, like fish. I have heard that they can see the fish in the water and they snatch it.
oh,
Yeah, so they have a good eyesight. And like, have you ever saw any dangerous bird in real life?
uh, I saw eagle in one time.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. And where did you saw that?
I saw in on temple.
Oh, the temple. Okay. So was it scary?
Uh, and the eagle fly high and it would it makes lot of noise.
Oh, yeah. Right. So,
I saw in my school.
huh? You saw in your school.
Sits in the tree
And
and it, and my sun was laying the ground on this saw us
Okay.
sunlight.
Oh, okay. And there are many birds. Like, do you like ostrich?
What?
Ostrich.
I see in the mobile, but I also in the real.
Okay. And do you like swan?
What?
Swan.
Yes, I like.
Yeah, that looks beautiful. And duck.
Yes, I like. It can swim in the water
Yeah.
and fly.
Yeah, like duck and swan looks very similar, no?
Yes,
Yeah, but duck is something, he has a very weird walk.
yes.
Yeah. So do you think hens are also bird?
What?
Hen.
Yes.
Okay. And which is the one animal, sorry, not animal, which is the one bird that you really want to have?
An animal and one bird.
A bird.
I want to have peacock
Peacock only. Okay.
and parrot.
Okay. Peacock and parrot. Yeah. And if you can have, like, if this is a question, if you can have more than 2, 3 birds, like, if you can have however birds you want or whichever bird you like, and you can keep them in a place and you can, you can take care of them, would you like to do that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So it means you really like birds and animals. Because
And I want to have swan and a duck.
you also have?
I want a swan and duck.
Okay. Because some people get irritated by the sound of birds, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, some people feel that it's very irritating and all. But yeah, that's good. So, Pranishka, I think we had a great conversation. And
Yes.
yeah, and now it's time to hang up.
Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.